Your dog won't stop scratching. You found 3 fleas on your cat yesterday. You vacuumed the whole house. You washed every piece of fabric. And this morning, you saw 5 more. Here's what's actually happening. For every flea you see on your pet, there are roughly 100 more bugs in your carpet, furniture, and baseboards in various life stages: eggs, larvae, pupae. And the adult fleas on your pet are laying 40-50 eggs per day. You're not failing. You're just fighting a reproductive cycle that's been perfected over 100 million years of evolution. Let me give you the truth about flea control. What works, what doesn't, what vets actually recommend, and why, and where DIY methods have legitimate value. The truth. Veterinarians recommend prescription flea treatments, Revolution, Frontline, Seresto, Bravecto, etc., because they undergo FDA approval, years of safety testing, have measured efficacy, kill 95 to 100% of fleas within 12-24 hours, provide residual protection, 30 to 90 days, are species specific, dose safely for cats versus dogs, come with liability. If something goes wrong, there's accountability. What vets don't say. This is the only method, or DIY never works. What they do say. This is the most effective, fastest, safest option based on current evidence. Adult fleas, 5% of the problem. Live on your pet, bite and feed, lay eggs. What you see. Eggs, 50% of the problem. Fall off pet into environment. Hatch in 2 out of 14 days, not killed by adult flea treatments. Larvae, 35% of the problem. Live in carpets, baseboards, furniture. You feed on flea dirt and organic debris. Spin cocoons after 1 to 2 weeks. Pupae, 10% of the problem. Protected inside cocoons. Can survive 6+ months waiting for a host. Resistant to insecticides. The zombie stage. This is why. Killing adult fleas on your pet solving the infestation. You need to hit all life stages simultaneously. Method 2, wash and heat. Wash all pet bedding, blankets, removable covers, hot water, 100 ml plus high heat dryer, weekly during active infestation. Cost, laundry detergent you already own. Effectiveness, kills all life stages exposed to heat. Why vets mention this? They do, every time. Method 3, diatomaceous earth, food grade. Sprinkle on carpets, let sit 24 to 48 hours, vacuum thoroughly. Works by dehydrating larvae. Must be food grade, not pool grade. Keep pets away during application. Cost, $10 to $15 for a 5 lb bag. Effectiveness, 60-70% larval mortality in treated areas. Limitations. Doesn't kill pupae or eggs, respiratory irritant if inhaled. Method 4, the light trap, monitoring tool. Shallow dish of soapy Wadham desk lamp positioned above it at night. Fleas jump toward light and drow. Cost, $0. Use what you have. Effectiveness, catches emerging adult fleas. Reality, this is a monitoring tool, not a solution. Why it helps. Shows whether your infestation is resolving. Week 1. Day. Apply vet-recommended flea treatment to pet. Day 1, wash all bedding in hot water. Day 17, vacuum daily, especially where pet sleeps. Week 2, pull or maintain, continue daily vacuuming. Day 8, second wash of all bedding. Day 10, apply diatomaceous earth to carpets if needed. Week 3, day 15, vacuum and assess remaining activity. Day 21, retreat pet if using monthly product. Ongoing weekly vacuuming and bedding wash. Expected results, 90% plus reduction in adult fleas by day. 7, continued emergence of pupae through day 21. Full control by week, 4 to 6. 1, the dish, soap, bath. Why it works? Dawn dish, soap breaks down flea exoskeleton and they drown. Why vets don't lead with this? Kills only the fleas present at that moment. No residual protection. Labor-intensive, stressful for pets. Week 1, day 1, apply vet-recommended flea treatment to pet day 1. Wash all bedding in hot water. Day 1 to 7, vacuum daily, especially where pet sleeps. Week 2, maintain, continue daily vacuuming. Day 8, second wash of all bedding. Day 10, apply diatomaceous earth to carpets, if needed. Week 3, Day 15, vacuum and assess remaining activity. Day 21, retreat pet if using monthly product. Ongoing, weekly vacuuming and bedding wash. Expected results, 90% plus reduction in adult fleas by day 7. Why it works: Dawn dish soap breaks down flea exoskeleton and they drown. Why vets don't lead with this: kills only the fleas present at that moment. No residual protection, labor intensive, stressful for pets. When it's useful: very young kittens under 8 weeks who can't use topicals yet. Initial knockdown before applying monthly prevention. Emergency removal before vet visit. What vets actually say: bathe first, then apply prevention. 2. Food grade diatomaceous. Earth why it works: microscopic sharp edges damage flea larvae cuticles causing dehydration. Why vets don't emphasize it: only kills larvae, not adults or pupae. Must be applied carefully, respiratory irritant, less effective than environmental sprays. Requires follow-up vacuuming. When it's useful, part of integrated control for pet owners who want minimal chemicals. What vets actually say: if you use it, use food grade, keep pets out during application. 3. The indoor-only cat still got fleas. Why this happens: fleas come in on humans, pant cuffs, shoes, wildlife near windows or doors, previous tenants' infestation, pupae waiting months, visiting pets. Why it matters: even indoor cats need prevention in endemic areas. Call your vet if you have a flea infestation lasting 6 weeks despite treatment. Your pet shows signs of flea allergy, dermatitis, hair loss, hotspots. You live in an area with flea-borne diseases, typhus, tapeworms, Bartonella. You have a very young, elderly, or immunocompromised pet. You're using multiple products and unsure about safety. Prescription prevention, 1 dog 6 months. Oral, 90 to 150. Topical, 80 to 130. Collar, 60-80. DIY maximum effort, 1 dog 6 months. Diatomaceous earth, $15 extra laundry. Water, electricity, $20 flea comb. $8 time investment, 15-20 hours. The reality: DIY alone rarely resolves an active infestation without at least 1 round of vet-recommended treatment on the pet. Best value: vet product for the pet. DIY environmental control, techniques fastest resolution at moderate cost. I spoke with 3 veterinarians while researching this. Here's what they said, paraphrased. Dr. Chen, small animal practice. We recommend what's proven to work quickly and safely. Most people come in after weeks of DIY attempts while their pet suffers. We're not anti-DIY, we're anti-suffering. Dr. Martinez, shelter medicine. In shelter settings, we combine everything: prescription treatments, environmental cleaning, diatomaceous earth. It's not either or. Dr. Okonkwo, veterinary dermatology. A flea allergy dermatitis causes more suffering than people realize. Prevention is always better than treatment. Vets aren't hiding anything. They're recommending what gets your pet relief fastest, backed by evidence, with the least risk of toxicity or resistance. DIY. Environmental control absolutely has value. Vacuuming, washing, DE, but it works best. Alongside effective on-pet treatment, not instead of it. The actual trick? Understanding the flea life cycle and hitting all stages simultaneously. If your pet has fleas right now, 1. Get effective on-pet treatment, vet or OTC product with proven ingredients. 2. Vacuum daily, and for 3 weeks, minimum 3. Wash bedding weekly, in hot water. 4. Be patient. Pupae can take 2 to 6 weeks to emerge. Drop a comment telling me what you've tried, what worked or didn't, your pet type, cat, dog, other, and if you want more evidence-based pet care content without the conspiracy nonsense, subscribe.